Yo, what's up guys? Back in with another video. So in today's video I'll show you guys how you guys can make your views to be the same size on different devices. And yeah, so I found out about this trick myself. I don't know if anyone has found out about this. If anyone has, please let me know in the comments below. But yeah guys, let's get to it. So I'm going to make a text view, a button, to show you guys how it is, and I'll test it on different devices. So yeah, let's do it. So I'm not gonna touch the text size because that we have to do it in the Java code. Alright, so now that I'm done, let me just give it this ID button. Now we're gonna go to our main activity, and then I'm gonna make this. Alright, so now that we have our views, I'm gonna show you guys how you guys can scale them so that it fits every other device. Alright, so before we get into it, I want to show you guys something. So every phone has a width, height, and a density. Now in order to get that in Java code, I have to do display metrics, which is a class. You have to do metrics equals new display metrics. So we make an object of the class, and then we do get window manager dot get default display dot get metrics, and then we pass in the display metrics that we made. Now what this does is it gets the width, height, and all the other infos of the phone, and it passes it to the object that we made of display metrics. And now if we make, like, let's say a width of float, we can do equals metrics dot width pixels, and same thing with the height, equals metrics dot height pixels, and same thing with the density, equals metrics dot density and density deploy scale densities. So for our purpose, we need to use the scaled density. Remember that, scaled density. Remember, you guys have to use scaled density for our purpose. Let me just show you guys what it looks like before and after. Alright, so before we get into it, I'm gonna show you guys how small it looks on the iPad 13.5 inch than on the Pixel 4 X large. So this is what it looks like right now. Right? This is what it looks like right now. So let's fix it, yeah? So we want it to be the same size for both screens. So now what we do is we have to set the text.set text size on the text view. So look carefully, we have to do this. So we put two parentheses, we do width plus height, go out of the parentheses, the first one, divided by density, now divided by a specific number you want it to decrease or increase by. So for me, I'm gonna do 35. You guys can play around with it. And now we do button.set text size, or you guys can just set the width or the height. So I'm just gonna do set text size again, width plus height divided by density divided by 35. 35 is too little, I'll just do 80 for button and 80 for text and 50 for button. So as you guys can see on the Pixel 4 X large, the button and the text. Now let's run it on the iPad. So as you guys can see, they both look similarly similar. Obviously the iPad one is going to be a little bit bigger because it's an iPad, and that's how, because we get the width and height of the system divided by the density. So as you guys can see, they look very normal. So I'm gonna show you guys on one more device, which is gonna be the smallest device. That way you guys can believe me, and you guys can go try this by yourself. Uh, that's how I made my last app. If you guys want, the link will be in the description below. It's a birthday reminder. If you guys want, you can download it. Alright, so I'm gonna try it on the Galaxy Nexus. Alright, so it's turning on. By the way, make sure you guys hit the like button, the subscribe button. It helps me a lot. You guys have no idea how much it helps me. Thank you so much. So as you guys can see, we ran it on the Galaxy Nexus, and look, it literally fits on all devices. You can literally run it on the Fold 2 and it will fit it perfectly. So it's slightly smaller on the Galaxy Nexus because it's small. It's average size on the Pixel 4 because it's Pixel 4, and a little bit bigger on the tablet because tablet is a little bit bigger. So yeah guys, like this video, please hit the subscribe button. It really helps me a lot. That's the least you guys can do for me. I really appreciate it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.